Hello everyone, today I will show you how to generate QArt in Canva, and here's how it is done. Step 1. Prepare your QR code. Generate a QR code. Use a QR code generator like QR Code Monkey or other similar tools. Customize the QR code by adding a logo, changing colors, or adjusting patterns, but ensure the code remains scannable. Download the QR code. Save it in PNG format for easy editing. Step 2. Open Canva. Log into Canva. Open the Canva app or website. Create a new design. Select a custom size or choose a template based on your project. Example, poster, flyer, or social media post. Step 3. Upload the QR code. Click Uploads on the left sidebar. Drag and drop your QR code or upload it manually. Place the QR code onto your design. Step 4. Add art and design. Background and layers. Choose a background image, color, or texture that complements your QR code. Overlay graphics. Add elements like shapes, icons, or text around the QR code. Step 5. Test the QR code. Before finalizing your design, scan the QR code with your smartphone to ensure it remains functional. If the design interferes with scannability, simplify or adjust the layers around the QR code. Step 6. Save and share. Save your design in a suitable format, PNG, JPG, or PDF. Share or print your QArt as needed. And that's everything you need to know about how to generate QArt in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.